Crispy, cheesy, Mexican with a Pinoy twist, only from Taco Manileño.
This is my comfort food.
They serve the best chimichangas fried burrito goodness for only 129 pesos. And yes, buy one take one na. Crispy sa labas, tapos paghati mo, boom tarap, cheesy beef chimichangas. Started as a home-based business in 2020, now they have 2 branches serving your cravings. They make everything from scratch. Grabe yung kagat, may snap sa sausage, juicy agad sa loob, lasang-lasa mo yung Hungarian spice. Tapos yung kangkarne, malasa, may konting kick. They also serve cheesy quesadillas, loaded nachos, and yes, their newest product, churros for dessert. Taco Manileño is serving Mexican comfort food with a Pinoy twist, and their chimichangas are on another level. Perfect for late night cravings, food trips with friends, and when you just need the comfort bite. Don't just watch, try it yourself. Order na sa Taco Manileño. Dahil ang Taco Manileño ay tarap, approved!